Welcome back to MrJayDM. The channel has officially hit 1,000 subscribers, and that is awesome. And the channel is officially monetized, so I'm able to make a little bit of money. And let me tell you, so far it's been like 7-8 days, and it is very little money. But hopefully the channel will continue to grow, and that money will grow as well. I've been working on the 88 wagon off camera here and there. I got the fuel rail installed. I got this bracket painted and put in. I got the clutch installed and the bracket painted. I got the rear mount bracket painted and installed, along with the shift cables. And I went to the junkyard and got a throttle body. It's for a B20 out of a first gen CRV, and it doesn't quite line up. As you can see, but what I'm going to do is I'm just going to oval that out to make it fit. Because this throttle body, I mean, it'll fit, but it's the old style, and I want one that has a map sensor on the top. Just a few minutes ago, it poured down raining. I mean, it was really bad. So I still need to get the starter installed, the distributor, and the main important thing is the wiring. The wiring has been something that I really don't want to deal with, but I have to, you know. So I'm gonna have to unloom all of this and clean it up really well. I mean, look how nasty that is. And then I'll probably shorten it. And because this is a 88, it has the square plug, but the wiring harness I have is not an 88, so I have this plug that I'm going to de-pin all these and then pin these into the right location. And I was going to use the header from this engine onto here, but I've tried and tried and tried to get this O2 sensor off, and I can't get it. I put heat on it and it just won't come off. So I guess this is just gonna stay. And while I was at the junkyard, I found 3 second gen CRV roof racks. They're kind of rare to find. I've been looking for just one of them for quite a while, and I found one at one junkyard, and then I went to another junkyard. That's where I got the throttle body, and I found 2 more. I will insert that clip right now. Alright, it's several weeks later. We're at the junkyard and the roof rack is still here. I am shocked. So we're going to try to pull that, and there's really nothing else we need except for that roof rack. I think I'm going to go to another junkyard to get a throttle body for the 88 Civic Wagon. So once we get done here, we'll head over to the other one. Alright, we got our roof racks. I'm pretty happy with that. I'll probably put them on my wife's car, but I don't know. If not, if she doesn't want them, then I will put them on eBay. Alright, we're leaving Pull Apart right now, and we're going to head over to ISA. They have a couple 92 through 95 Honda Civics, and I need to get a throttle body with the map sensor and the TPS. And I want to get a throttle body that has the map sensor on the top of the throttle body. So yeah, that's where we're headed to. In this clip, we're at ISA. The Junkyard is just terrible, and it's really low and it floods quite a bit. But here's a second gen CRV with the roof rack, and it has a sunroof. It's pretty nice. There's other stuff I wish I could have got, but I just didn't bring the tools. Alright, so I ended up getting 2 more of these roof racks, and I got a throttle body from a 98 CRV. That should work because it's got the TPS and the map sensor and the gasket. I went ahead and grabbed that. But yeah, it is hot. Time to go home. I ended up stopping by my cousin's house. This truck used to be my dad's before he died, and then we sold it to my cousin Jim, and then he passed away and his daughter got it, and then Jim's sister Kathy, my other cousin, she now owns it. Hopefully one day it'll be mine. It does have some rust, but you know, I could probably fix it, and the only thing I would use this truck for is to haul old cars or flip cars, and so, you know, it is what it is. But it's not too bad. The interior is really nice, and it's got like just under 200,000 miles. And my dad took really good care of it, and my cousin took care of it. The plan is to buy the F-150 for my cousin, you know, because it was my dad's, and she's looking for a new vehicle. So hopefully soon I will be the owner of my dad's truck, and that will be the only American vehicle that will be shown on this channel, just because, you know, I can't afford a Toyota Tundra, and a Honda Ridgeline is not a real truck, and I just need something that will be able to pull cars, because my plan is to buy a trailer, and you know, that way I can buy flip cars that aren't running and haul them home and fix them. And again, I'm really excited about having that 1,000 subscribers. That's a huge milestone for me, and I really appreciate all of you guys subscribing. And for all the people that are not subscribed, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. 97% of my views come from non-subscribers, so if I could get just, you know, 2% of you all to subscribe, that would be great. I would definitely really appreciate it. But anyway, this was just a quick update video of what I've been doing, and because I haven't posted a video in like 7 or 8 days now, and I just feel like I needed to get a video uploaded, so here it is. Anyway, hope you enjoy this video, and please subscribe, and I will see you all in the next video.